Welcome back. So continuing on with the Sprocket chain swap out, I'm going to start with taking this chain off. So got my grinder tool, eye protection, and gloves. So see if I can grind this off real quick. Now that that's done, we're going to grab our chain tool. You got to push the pin all the way through. Once you do that, unwind your chain tool, and bam, chain is off. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is remove the tire so I could swap out the sprocket. You got that kind of loose. There's a cotter pin in there that you must take out, so don't forget to do that. Get out of there, you. Don't want to say any bad words. Free floating rear brake, so be careful with that. Okay, so the next thing to do is to take off the rear sprocket. Alright, so there's the rear sprocket right here. This rear sprocket is a 46 tooth. This new sprocket is a 48. So got it from Vortex. Not a sponsor, not affiliated. But let's try this out. There are some rivets on this side. It's a Vortex. So I'm assuming it goes like this. Okay, those are all tight, looking good. Set this off to the side. Hopefully my sprocket nut comes in the mail today, because I do not have a sprocket nut to continue the rest of the job. But this is the front sprocket. The old sprocket is a 15 tooth, and this is a 14 tooth. So don't know what other way to take the chain off, because of this little area here. It keeps the chain in place. Get rid of that. I also have, of course, a new chain. Kept it all vortex. I'll put that to the side for now as well. My washer did come in the mail, so I have a new washer. And that's about it. So stay tuned. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. And next video will be the completion and hopefully first ride of the new chain in Sprocket. Thanks for watching.